Looking for the best phone cases for iPhone 14 but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best phone cases for iPhone 14 based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Apple MPRU3ZM/A iPhone 14 Silicone Case. Are you looking for a case that not only protects your iPhone 14 but also offers a seamless MagSafe experience? You're in luck because this amazing case has got you covered. With its silky, soft-touch finish and a soft microfiber lining inside, it's a joy to hold in your hand and will keep your iPhone safe from scratches and drops. Plus, the built-in magnets align perfectly with your iPhone, allowing for faster wireless charging every time. Just snap on your MagSafe charger, or set it on any Qi-certified charger. And the best part? It's been rigorously tested to ensure it's both stylish and durable, making it perfect for anyone who wants a hassle-free and reliable way to protect their phone. Number 4. OtterBox 77-88691 NR Defender Series Screenless Edition Case. Compared to most phone cases, this one's a standout for its thoughtful extras. It's compatible with some of the latest iPhone models, but don't expect it to fit every single version. It's specific to the iPhone 14 and 13 series, so if you've got a different model, it's not for you. What sets it apart is its multi-layer defense system, combining a solid inner shell with a soft outer cover for added protection. You'll also get a clever belt clip that doubles as a kickstand for hands-free viewing, a really useful feature. Overall, this case is perfect for anyone who wants a little extra security without sacrificing usability. Number 3. OtterBox 77-92735 NRP iPhone 16e. If you're constantly worried about damaging your iPhone with everyday drops and bumps, this case is specifically designed to alleviate those concerns. It's crafted to offer a flawless fit for the iPhone 15, 14, and 13 models, preserving their sleek design while providing unparalleled protection against the unexpected. It's also rigorously tested to military standards, withstanding 5x more drops than the average case, so you can rest assured your phone is safeguarded. With its slim profile, it comfortably fits in your pocket, and its eco-friendly design is made with 50% recycled plastic. Plus, it supports wireless charging and features Otter Armor, a microbial defense that keeps the case itself germ-free. Number 2. OtterBox OtterBox Commuter Series, iPhone 14 13 iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 Commuter Series Case. Don't be. If you're tired of dropping your iPhone and feeling the anxiety of a cracked screen, this case is a game changer. It's precision engineered specifically for the iPhone 14 and 13, preserving your phone's sleek design while offering unparalleled protection against everyday hazards. With its rugged multi-layer defense, it exceeds military drop standards, crafted from over 35% recycled plastic for eco-conscious resilience. It's a secure grip, streamlined protection with rubber-gripped edges for a confident hold and wireless charging compatible, perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. And with a trusted limited warranty, you can invest in peace of mind. Number 1. OtterBox OtterBox Commuter Series, iPhone 13 divided by 14 divided by 15 divided by 16e divided by 17e iPhone 17e. If you're used to phone cases that just barely fit or fall apart at the first drop, this product is a refreshing change of pace. It's specifically designed to fit a range of iPhone models with a precision fit that stays confidently in place. The 3x military-grade drop protection is another standout feature, engineered to withstand even the toughest accidents. Plus, its slim profile and pocket-friendly design make it easy to carry around, while also blocking dust and debris during daily use. With a dual-layer impact defense system that cushions impacts and adds structure, this case is built to last and crafted with at least 35% recycled plastic. It's a trusted product that delivers real-world reliability and everyday readiness, a great choice for anyone who wants a secure and dependable phone case. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.